This is an MTPredictor trading room update. It's February 9th, and we had a nice trade setup that happened this morning in our trading room. It's what we call our Holy Grail trade setup. And I'm just going to go through it with you and give you an idea of what we were looking at when this trade set up. We had our bigger picture. I'm going to go to our 24-hour chart, our 15-minute chart here of the ES. We have our major resistance here, this decision point. Here's our major support. And the market came up right into the major resistance on the 15-minute chart. The ES did. We got a red seller's bar there. And also we were looking at the Dow, or the Dow mini contract, also had on the 15-minute chart, hit a wave 5, minimum wave 5 resistance area with the red seller's bar here. So what we did on the 3-minute chart is we had this major swing high. This was from the prior day's trading. We gapped down this morning. It was an inside gap, which we were expecting to fill. And we didn't quite get into the 15-minute DP support here on this gap down, which would have been an area we could have gone long and played the gap fill. Didn't get that, so we had to wait. But we did get this we got this first correction here. Then we got an ABC pattern. And the software made it easy because it gave us a automatic trade setup to sell on the red seller's bar here. And we had the major swing high, the move down, the ABC correction, and failure to make a new high. And we got the seller's bar here. We can set up our trade. The initial target was the minimum wave C, but we know this is our Holy Grail trade setup. When we get the major swing high, the initial correction of the move, the ABC correction back up that fails to make a new high, the red seller's bar, the automatic trade sell signal there, and we're playing then for the typical wave 3 target. We're going to pass on these targets here, and we're looking for that typical wave 3, which you see had a risk reward of better than 5 to 1. So on a $375 risk, we're taking out almost $2,000 of profit, and this was a trade that set up live in our trading room, and some of our traders were able to capture this all the way to the target. So an excellent trade. Just thought I'd update you and show you that is our Holy Grail trade setup, and we'll get more of these in the trading room. I'll post them as they come in on the trading on our live trading room for clients only.